Yout. That's an old one. Hasn't been fucking moved in a while. We'll get her up here, see what the crack is. Suppose the main thing is, does she run? No. Well, that might have something to do with it. Take the lead first. That's a bolt there as well. Trying to show HM1200k from 2001. So she's fairly young. Yeah, looks like a lead. Actually just been pulled out. Just the lead is all wrong, by the looks of it. Replace the whole thing anyway, because of that joint. I have to get a new bolt for here as well. Not looking the best on there. A bit of corrosion on them too. Just in case they're not making proper contact. Not perfect, but good enough. It's not as bad as what it was. It's obviously gotten wet, this thing, so it should be okay. Now, does your hammer. Spot on. HM1200k up and running again, even if she's just a wee bit dirty. She'll love for another while. Cheers, lads. Give us a like and a follow, and if you want to support the channel, hit subscribe as well. Cheers.